Defendant and disgraced Hollywood mogul Harvey Weinstein has sat virtually in silence for 4 weeks as jury selection, followed by 28 prosecution witnesses and 7 witnesses for the defense, testified before a diverse jury of 7 men and 5 women. The looming issue in this trial: did Weinstein commit rape and sexual assault, or were the encounters consensual? But at the heart of the prosecution's case are 6 female accusers of the former Hollywood giant, who took the stand one by one to point the finger at Weinstein. Prosecutors are using testimony from 3 accusers to try to show Weinstein's pattern of conduct. They hope testimony by actress Annabella Sciorra will help them gain a conviction of predatory sexual assault. But Weinstein's indictment stems from the allegations of just 2 women, Miriam Haley and Jessica Mann. The statute of limitations has already run out on the other women's allegations. Haley testified while Harvey was mentoring her during her work as a production assistant on one of his shows. She was asked to go to his New York City apartment in summer of 2006. After arriving, she testified, Weinstein lunged, trying to kiss her. I walked backward because he was pushing me with his body until I got to the bed. And I fell backward onto the bed, and I tried to get up, and he pushed me down. Next, she described a vicious sexual assault. I just checked out and decided to endure it, that it was the safest thing to do at that point. The defense argued that Haley willingly maintained contact with Weinstein, including accepting the gift of a free trip to Los Angeles. And Haley testified she did have sex with the movie mogul about 2 weeks after the alleged assault. You are not claiming Mr. Weinstein forced you to have sex at the Tribeca Grand, are you? No. Haley, however, testified for the prosecution that her sexual relationship with Weinstein was not consensual. Jessica Mann has a similar story, telling the court she had a relationship with her mentor Weinstein, but that she too was assaulted by him in a New York City hotel room. Were you able to get out of the room? No. What did you do next? I gave up at that point and I undressed and he stood over me until I was completely naked. Then he told me to lay on the bed. Mann then testified Weinstein violently raped her. The defense brought before the jury dozens of emails that could imply a consensual relationship and bond between the two. Mann's testimony was insistent, saying, I know the history of my relationship with him. I know it is complicated and different, but it does not change the fact that he raped me. Weinstein pleaded not guilty to all 5 counts, including rape and predatory sexual assault. Now, the case is in the hands of the jury.